Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Abbas, and I'm here for my new video and new topic, that is trigonometry. Kindly do subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. So, what is trigonometry and what are the basics behind it? Actually, we're discussing about the triangles in it, and some kind of ratios will be discussed later on. So first of all, the types of triangles which we are discussing that are related to angles. So with respect to angles, we are discussing the types of triangles with respect to angles. So with respect to angles, there are three kinds of triangle. First one is acute-angled triangle. So what is acute angle? Acute angle is basically greater than 0 degrees but are smaller than 90 degrees. So if a triangle having all of the angles smaller than 90 degrees but greater than 0 means all three angles are acute angles. So that type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle, means all angles are acute. So three acute angles we can simply write down in simple words. So I'm simply making a diagram. It can be looking like this. So we can see this is a diagram in which all the angles are greater than 0 but are smaller than 90 degrees. So all of these are basically smaller than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees. So this means that this type of triangle is known as acute angled triangle. So what are obtuse angle triangles? So obtuse angle, what does obtuse angle mean? An angle that is greater than 90 degrees but smaller than 180 degrees is known as acute angle. So this is obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angle. So a triangle that has one means that a triangle which has just one obtuse angle is known as obtuse-angled triangle. So I'm simply making a diagram. So how it looks like, it can be like this. So if this is a line, one side of triangle, this is second, and this is third side of triangle. We can see clearly from this diagram that one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees. So this is greater than 90 but smaller than 180 degrees. So a triangle that has one of the angle greater than 90 degrees but smaller than 180 degrees is basically known as obtuse-angled triangle. So remember these things. So according to angles, there is a third type, which is the most important. We have to discuss in detail. That is right-angled triangle. So right angle means angle equals to 90 degrees. So angle equals to 90 degree means that that angle is known as right angle. So a triangle that has one right angle is basically right angled triangle. So right angle is 90 degree, as I have told you earlier. So I'm quickly making a diagram and we can see this is a triangle in which one of the angle is equals to 90 degrees. We can simply look here. This is a triangle. So this angle is basically equals to 90 degrees. So we will discuss this type of triangle in detail. So I'm quickly briefing few of the concepts behind it. So the side that is opposite to that right angle is basically named as hypotenuse. Okay, we will just remember this is hypotenuse, but the other thing is in a triangle, the side that is opposite to the greater angle is the longest side. So hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle, it is the longest side. So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side because it is opposite to the greater angle in this triangle. So one more thing I'm quickly explaining in this video, that is basically the concept that if one angle is right angle, the sum of other two angles of that triangle is basically equals to 90 degree as well. So if this is first angle and this is second angle, we can simply make them. This is 1, this is 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 makes 90 degrees. So if two of the angles makes 90 degrees, that means that we can simply uh, say those angles are complementary angles. So in simpler words, we can simply say angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. So complementary angles are the angles that are having sum of 90 degrees. Suppose that there is a triangle, there is a right angle triangle. I'm quickly explaining that how to find unknown angles in a right angle triangle. So if this is, if we can say two of the angles are known, so we can simply say that one of the angle is a right angle. So this means that this is equals to 90 degrees. But I say if I know this angle, I'm simply saying this is 40 degrees. So what is the third angle that is unknown? So I say this is x. So if I know one of the angle except right angle, I can simply find the third angle through two different processes. First of all, I'm explaining through the process which we have already done in previous classes, that is sum of all the interior angles of triangle equals to 180 degrees. So I say x degrees plus 90 degrees and then plus the third angle is 40 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So what is the answer of 90 plus 40? That gives you 130 degrees. So in the next step, we have to bring this onto the right hand side. So this means that it will be subtracted from 180 and it gives us 150. So, sorry, just 50. Pardon, this is just 50 degrees. So there is one other way for finding this third angle. If we know two of the angles of this right angle triangle, the next method is basically, we have done already that sum of two angles except the right angle makes 90 degree. So we can simply replace in that as well. So I'm saying that angle x plus 40 degree makes 90 degrees. So I'm simply subtracting that 40 degrees from 90 degrees. I will get the same result as well. X equals to 50 degrees. So if two angles are basically, we can say these two angles are complementary. So I say if one angle is 40 degrees, the other complement of it in terms of angle is 50 degrees. So do remember this concept. This is very basic concept. We will discuss in the next videos about further, you can say, things that are involved in right angle triangle. So how to find unknown sides, how to find unknown angles through different processes. We will discuss them in the next videos. So if you're facing any problem, any issues, you can just write it in the comment box. So keep sharing and keep subscribing. We will meet in the next video. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.